Understanding volume of work, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in the English language, volume of work. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations and writing. Volume of work refers to the amount of tasks or work to be done. It's often used in professional and academic contexts to describe how much work someone has. For example, if someone has a large volume of work, it means they have many tasks to complete. In this section, we'll see how volume of work is used in different scenarios. For instance, in a job setting, a manager might say, "We need to manage the volume of work during the busy season." This implies handling a large amount of work efficiently. Let's look at some examples. 1. Due to the high volume of work, the team worked overtime. 2. She is struggling to keep up with the volume of work in her new position. These sentences show the phrase in action, highlighting its usage in everyday English. Other phrases similar to volume of work include workload and amount of work. These can often be used interchangeably but may have slight nuances in meaning. I hope this video clarifies the meaning and use of volume of work. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your English communication skills, especially in professional settings. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.